Good morning, students. Welcome to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur.
Today we will learn about another congruency rule, that is AAS congruency rule. In AAS congruency rule, two triangles are congruent if any two pairs of angles and one pair of corresponding sides are equal. Consider these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In this triangle, angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R. Also, side AC is equal to side PR. That is, two triangles are congruent if any two pairs of angles and one pair of corresponding sides are equal. Exercise 7.1, question number 4. L and M are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and Q. Show that triangle ABC congruent to triangle CDA. In the question, given that L and M are two parallel lines. Also, P and Q are parallel lines. Two parallel lines, L and M are two parallel lines. AC is a transversal. When two parallel lines cut by a transversal, which angles are equal? That is, alternative interior angles are equal. Here, which are alternative interior angles? Angle 1 and angle 2. That is, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Reason, alternative angles are equal. Also, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Reason, alternative angles are equal. In this figure, AC is the common side of these two triangles. AC is equal to AC, that is common side, which is angle 1. Angle 1 is equal to angle BAC, which is angle 2. Angle 2 is equal to angle ACD, that is angle BAC is equal to angle ACD. Also, angle ACB is equal to angle CAD. In this figure, two angles and their included side are equal. By ASA congruency rule, triangle ABC congruent to triangle CDA. Exercise 7.1, question number 8. In right triangle ABC, right angled at C, M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. In right triangle ABC, right angled at C, M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. C is joined to M. C is joined to M and produced to a point D. CM is produced to D such that DM is equal to CM. DM is equal to CM. Point D is joined to point B. Point D is joined to point B. Show that triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD. First, we have to prove that triangle AMC and triangle BMD are congruent. We have to prove that triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD. Consider these two triangles, triangle AMC and triangle BMD. that is AMC and BMD. DM is equal to CM, that is DM is equal to CM. It is given in the question. Consider these two angles BMD and AMC, that is CMA. Which angle is this? This is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So, angle BMD is equal to angle CMA. BMD is equal to CMA. These two angles are equal. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. So, BM is equal to AM. BM is equal to AM because M is the midpoint of AB. Then these two sides and the included angle are equal. By SAS congruency rule, triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD. So, one is proved. We already proved that triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD. By CPCT, angle ACM equal to angle BDM. That is, these two angles are equal. Angle ACM, that is angle ACM and angle BDM. These two angles are equal. That is, these two angles are equal. Which type of angle is this? This is alternative interior angles. If alternative interior angles are equal, then these two lines are parallel. That is AC parallel to BD. If alternative angles are equal, then BD parallel to AC. BD parallel to AC, that is BD parallel to AC. These two lines are parallel. Why? Alternative interior angles are equal. BC is the transversal. BD parallel to AC and BC is transversal. If two parallel lines cut by a transversal, the angles lie on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. That is, angle DBC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. That is, angle DBC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. Angle C is equal to 90 degree. It is given in the question. That is, angle DBC plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. That is, angle DBC is equal to 180 minus 90 degree. That is 90 degree. Therefore, angle DBC is a right angle. What is angle DBC? DBC is a right angle. 2 is proved. Next, we have to prove that triangle DBC congruent to triangle ACB. Then consider these triangles, triangle DBC and ACB. That is triangle DBC and ACB. BC is the common side. That is, BC is the common side. BC is equal to BC. Angle B and angle C is equal to 90 degree. That is, angle DBC is equal to angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. We already proved that triangle AMC congruent to triangle BMD. That is BD is equal to AC by CPCT. That is BD is equal to AC from 1. That is BD is equal to AC. Two sides and the included angle are equal. So by SAS, triangle DBC congruent to triangle ACB. 3 is proved. In part 4, we have to prove that CM is equal to half AB. We already proved in part 3 triangle DBC congruent to triangle ACB. That is by CPCT DC is equal to AB. That is corresponding sides are equal. These two triangles are congruent, then corresponding sides are equal. That is DC is equal to AB. Consider CM plus DM is equal to CD. CM plus DM is equal to CD. What is CD? What is CD? CD is equal to AB. That is CM plus DM is equal to AB. CM equal to DM. It is given in the question. CM is equal to DM. Instead of DM, we have to write CM. CM plus CM is equal to AB. That is 2CM is equal to AB. CM is equal to these two transpose to this side. CM is equal to half AB. Then part 4 is proved. In the next video, there is a mistake. This is question number 6, not question number 5. Okay, children.